Now, we do not have a big mold issue in this area. But again, to me, it's $7. And then I don't have to worry about it. Why do I want to have to reach in and pay out an extra $40,000 because I thought I'd save $7 a month? I blow that on coffee every day. All right. Next.
Steve,
Yes.
are you going to get about flood insurance?
I wasn't.
My question is, you can only get flood insurance if you're in a flood zone.
That's no, not correct. You can get it anytime. If you're not in a flood zone, then you're in a preferred zone.
I know that if you are in a flood zone, you have to have it, correct?
If you have a mortgage,
Yes.
the mortgage company will make you.
Okay.
Did that change, Steve? It used to be you couldn't get flood insurance unless you were in a flood zone.
Yeah.
Not to my knowledge.
Long time
20 years
it
ago,
was.
I was looking at a preferred flood price for my house for like $400. Ironically, flood insurance for my house is now $1,800. It's crazy.
18.
Yeah, 18.
I just remember when we
And
bought
I'm in a preferred area. You know where I
our
live.
first house
You're
on
60 feet.
Liberty
Oh.
Street,
Yes. Don't really need it.
and it was a row home, and we had to have flood insurance because we were in a flood zone. Don't ask me where the water was because we weren't near
You're probably near a river or something.
something.
The Delaware is 3 miles away.
Yeah, I don't know. But
Yeah.
we had to have it, and they said, well, if you weren't, you wouldn't have to worry about this because you could get it. Okay.
I don't know about that one, but
They were wrong.
yeah, I think I'd say Ralph's right. They were wrong. But, flood insurance is a good thing, but we're not in a big flood area here. All right, if I were writing insurance down at the shore, yes, I'm definitely accompanying that with a flood policy. Okay, which is not an endorsement on the homeowners. Okay, it's a separate policy. Except, not to go in the weeds here, but Farmers has come out in the last year and said they have a flood insurance endorsement, and they'll go up to $50,000. Okay. Now, next area, replacement cost. Okay, that's a gimme. Most companies will give you that automatically. All right. Some don't. Again, online doesn't, unless you tell them you want it. All right. So all your contents on the house that you're going to get paid without depreciation. Okay. I think it's important. Next. Oh, and that was $100. So it's about, what, $8 a month. Next, specified additional amount of insurance for coverage A. What that says is, cost for that's $80. All right. I get an extra 50%. I'm paying for it. So if my house burns down and it costs $850,000 to rebuild instead of $626, they'll do the extra 50% to give me coverage. Most people will carry 25%. Again, the difference was maybe to go to 50 was another $3 a month. Again, that's coffee.
They're only paying 50% of the extra 250.
No, 50% of 626. So they'll pay another round it to 300,000. Okay.
Pay the whole thing, yeah.
Yeah.